are you making?
Let's make some French toast.
All right, with Daddy. I'm gonna sit over here and have coffee.
First thing we have to do, young man, we need to get the pan warm.
That's a bowl.
So first we're gonna put that in there, right?
That's a bowl.
We don't need a bowl, buddy. We're gonna use this. Okay.
First, we'll have the egg.
We're gonna use 2 eggs, okay? Good
One.
job. We'll use 2 eggs, okay?
2.
No more
Want
eggs.
to
That's,
stir
yeah, we're gonna put.
egg.
Hold
You
on.
have to stir
You gotta stir it. Take your
eggs.
stir it.
Stir.
Now you're gonna take that.
Now, time to cook.
No, pour it in here.
Well, now time to cook.
Now we're gonna pour it in there.
Now,
Now to cook your bread. Okay, so we're gonna take your bread. And we're gonna put it in there like that. Okay, turn it over. Turn it over. And grab it, flip it over. Okay, now let it soak up. And then we go and we take it over here. And you put it on the pan. Just like
now
that.
time to cook.
Now time to cook. That's right. So let's soak it. Flip it over. Need some help here. I'll help you flip it over. Okay, yeah, soak that side too. Okay. And then we're gonna put it in the pan. Okay.
Now, time to
Cook. That's right. Here, you wanna help me? Alright. And then we don't cough into our food. Okay. Hey. And then we're gonna take the spatula. Right here. Got it? Okay. And then we're gonna flip it. Okay? Flip it. See? It's just like. There you go.
cook.
Yeah. It's like a little something with an egg on it. Right now, what do you want with your French toast?
Sugar.
Sugar. Okay, we'll get some powdered sugar. And do you want some syrup on it?
What's that? Sugar.
Grab it. Pour it in there. We need more sugar. We're gonna need more sugar than this, bro. Nice. Alright, we'll just like that. We're gonna put it in for 30 seconds. Can you give me 30 seconds? So hit the 3, 0, start. Alright, now we need to get you a bowl of powdered sugar. You wanna help me with that? Okay. Sugar. That's right. So you're gonna. This is where everything goes south. Put it in there. Not too much. All right. One more time. One more scoop. And done. All right. You ready to have some French toast? Now it's a little hot. So you gotta put your syrup on. All right. So what do you want first? Syrup or powdered sugar? It's still hot. So be careful, okay? Do you want to pour some syrup?
Yes.
Okay. It's a little hot, okay?
You're gonna let him. Are you kidding me?
Okay, good job. 1 scoop.
Holy diabetic shock.
1. All right, you want to put some on there? Nice job. And then we're gonna go like this. We're gonna smear it around, okay?
Careful.
You want a fork?
You want a fork?
Oh no. It's too.
Do you want me?
It's too hot.
It's a little hot still, okay?
All right.
There's just another cat on it.
Do you like it, Connor? What does it taste like?
You're baking for it.
Oh crap.
That's good.
Only had a timer on it. All of it? Aww. Is that good, buddy? Connor, what does it taste like? Meanwhile, cooking with Connor. Burnt ass bacon and a fire alarm. The end.